Welcome to the Tiny DIY Craft channel. Enjoy watching the video. Make the container. Attach the bottom of the box. Shape the bear candies. Cover it with a layer of tape. Stuff it with cotton. Put it into the box. So creative, they can glow in the dark. Add more decorations. Shape the little fireflies. Attach the light inside. Shape the star. Attach the pin. Isn't it adorable? It looks just like a mobile game. Make the storage box. Attach it to the bar. The obstacle. Roll it in. Attach it to the container. Add the small beads. Decorate it a bit more. Make the stand legs. Make the stand. Let's make a dart together. Make the balloon. Wow! A colorful noodle cup. Let's make the container. add more toppings for the noodle cup. Make more noodle strands. Let's wait for the noodles to cook. Wow, the colorful candy box looks so tasty. Make the container. Let's make gummy candies together. Sprinkle some sugar on top. Pour the water in. Add the colored water. Add a bit of cooking oil. Sprinkle on some small decorations. Don't forget to add the wish paper. Wow, a glowing book. Fold the pages of the book. Put the fairy lights inside. Have you learned how to make it yet? Such a cute little scale! Make the spinner. Wrap around the scale. Make the scale arm. Next, make the spring latch. Do you have another way to make it? Share it in the comments below. Wow, the strawberry bear lotso is so cute! Cover it with a layer of tape. Let's see the result together. Such a unique Christmas tree. Shape the tree trunk. Trim the pine leaves. Add more accessories. Attach the special pine leaves. That egg looks so delicious. First, make the egg yolk. Make the egg white. Wow, looks amazing and so creative. Wrap it around. Attach a cute face. Make the hammer with me. Attach the small accessories. You can replace it with any face you like. Blow up a small balloon. Shape the character. That's the end of the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next videos.